My name is Mark Diamond, and my family and I volunteer for Family Promise of South Palm Beach County. I'm 15 years old, in the 9th grade, and my favorite subject is math. I believe that every child deserves a home. Family Promise provides a shelter to local children and their parents who are temporarily homeless. As volunteers, we help our guests in many ways, including a safe and clean place to sleep, food, and friendship. I enjoy being able to have the guests come home to a place where the kids can have fun and get away from their daily stresses. What I like most about volunteering for Family Promise is taking the kids to the playground, playing tag, and pushing them on the swings and having fun. As volunteers for Family Promise, my dad and I help our guests by playing with the kids, packing up the bedding, and taking it all to the next church or synagogue. Family Promise of South Palm Beach County has meant a lot to me and my family, and I'm now asking you for your help by generously donating to our One Night Away fundraiser. Please give from your hearts by going to the Family Promise website and clicking on the One Night Away 2011 link. You can help a family and their children get back on their feet. Thanks for your support.